MTDCNC are at Ward High Tech today. We're in Sheffield. We've come to look at a few machines, one of which is this SFM. Now this is a very, very big lathe. If you come a bit closer to the machine, I'm going to start by talking to you about the chuck and what comes with this machine. Inside here you'll see we've got actually a metre chuck, or around about a metre in size, which comes in the package, but you also get two 610mm chucks, one that would obviously replace this one and one that goes at the back of the spindle on this machine, so you can support shaft work. You can obviously clamp this side and the other side to give you more of a stable hold. Now the machine itself has 1170mm when it comes to the swing over the bed, and a max turning diameter of 780mm and a turning length of 5 meters. You can now see there the turret on this machine. Actually comes with a turret as opposed to a tool post. This is an 8-station turret which can be programmed in to programs so that you obviously get full indexing on the machine. We've also got a tailstock here with a hydraulic quill, so you can support your shaft work. And if you're looking at the weight of part that you can actually hold on this machine, the load between centres without a steady is 8,000 kilograms, and the load between the centres with a steady rest is 10,000 kilograms. So it's a huge machine. We're seeing a resurgence in the oil and gas industry for oil and gas work, and this is where this machine is ideal. And if you're doing boring operations, this machine also comes with a double boring bar attachment to give you more security when you're doing deep hole boring. It's got swarf extraction here at the front and also at the back of the machine. So you've got 2 channels here where you can evacuate your swarf. And obviously the doors, as you'll see on this machine, there is in fact 4 doors. It's kind of shut like a concertina mechanism. I did tell you about the size of the chucks and the spindle, but it is important to note that it is actually a 4-stage gearbox on this machine. So you've got 4 gear ranges, your spindle speed up to 420 revs per minute, and the spindle bore on this machine is 254mm, so that's what you can bury down the chuck. There's a few facts about this machine. Now, would you believe that Ward High Tech, since they've been representing SFM in the UK, have sold near on 50 of these machines? That's an incredible result for a machine of this nature in just around 5 years. In a 5-year period. Fanuc control on this machine, which is also on an arm. You can see it's a Fanuc Series OI control with the user-friendly interface here. Very, very straightforward and easy to use, the Fanuc, especially when you've got things like manual guide on the control. So this machine's available here from stock. You can come and see it. You can come and see it in action as well. And don't forget, with Ward High Tech, they do some very, very creative finance packages. Imagine having a machine like this hit the deck without even having to pay a deposit, and spreading the terms of payments over a period of time. Very creative on finance. Not only that though, it's very, very competitively priced. This is the SFM lathe from Ward High Tech.